Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to swap on MEXC Global exchange. In order to do this, you first have to launch your MEXC Global mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now over here on the home page, you are going to see this more tab. So if you tap on more, you will be landed on the services page of MEXC. Now over here, you will not be able to see any swap or convert option. It is because the swap option is only available in the wallets and currently MEXC don't have a wallet. So in this situation, what you can do is, in order to convert your crypto from one crypto to another, what you can do is to simply come on the home page, and after that in the search bar you simply need to search for the pair or the coin. You simply need to search for the coin that you want to swap. So let's say I want to swap Solana, so I'll simply type Solana in this search bar, and here you will be able to see this view more tab. So if you tap on view more, you will be able to see various pairs of Solana, and after slash you are going to see in which currency you are going to convert it. So as you can see over here that I can convert Solana into USDT, and if I scroll down I can convert it into USDC and BTC. So you will have to select the pair in which you want to convert it. So let's say I want to convert my Solana into BTC. So I'll simply tap on the Solana/BTC option. Now over here you are going to see this sell option. So you need to tap on sell. Then you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to convert into your BTC. Then you need to tap on the sell button. Similarly, if you want to convert your BTC into Solana, then instead of choosing the selling option, you will have to choose the buy option, and after that you just have to enter the amount of BTC that you want to convert into Solana, and you simply need to tap on the buy option. This way you will be able to easily convert cryptos on MEXC Global. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.